Hello, and welcome back to One Level Per Episode Ironman, the meme I refuse to let die. Uh, in this season, this is the Christmas season, so we're going to have 12 episodes for the 12 days of Christmas, and this season is also the membership season. Ooh, that's not entertaining. So every episode is going to be loosely based on Christmas because I thought that was funny. So in this episode, we're going to be training magic. Because Christmas is a magical time of year if you're about 8. So let's get into this. Let's get this bread. This was a bad idea. Really funny if I ran out of mind runes, wouldn't it? Come on. Come on. I'm doing this in the pub as well because that's where I spend most of my Christmas holidays. Oh shit, I killed him. Whoops. Ooh. First rare drop. Let's kill this other one. I think that's it. Level 2. Whee. So, I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of the 12 levels of Christmas. Bye-bye.